Good morning. Well, the World Health Organization has published new guidance saying coronavirus may be transmitted through air particles in crowded and inadequate ventilated spaces, citing choir practice, restaurants and fitness classes as examples. And although the WHO says the findings are preliminary, you can't rule out air transmission. Florida recorded its highest level of coronavirus hospitalizations and deaths, while California cases also hit their highest levels. But in some good news, jobless claims for the week were less than expected, with less people filing for benefits and slowly returning to work. On the company side of things, Walgreens reported weaker than expected earnings and suspended its share purchase plan, which sent its shares 7.7% lower. Elsewhere, United Airlines, Delta and America all fell about 5% each, while the Dow Jones, the top 30, lost 1.4% and the S&P 500 stumbled 0.6% lower. The resilient Nasdaq rose 0.5% though, hitting another record high thanks to Amazon shares rising over 3% to another record, while Microsoft, Apple and Google parent Alphabet all put on at least 0.4% each. Now, this helped the Nasdaq gain 2.7% for this week and the S&P 500 clock 0.3% high. On the commodity front, the oil price slipped 3% though, under the key $40 level. It's now at $39.59. Gold lost 0.7% to $1,807 an ounce. Copper gained 0.5% and the iron ore price continued its ascent, putting on about 2% to $105. That's a new year high. Now, what to watch today? Well, if you look at the futures, the Aussie share market is eyeing a 0.4% fall. Now, for local trading ideas, firstly, overnight UBS rated Vocus Group VOC as a buy with a $3.60 target based on its valuation, but noted earnings catalysts are potentially negative, so be mindful of that. Yesterday, Vocus closed 0.7% lower to $3.05. Secondly, Bell Potter increased its buy target for Praemium. PPS is their ticker, with a 56-cent price target, given the software platform looks set to buy another listed platform provider, PWL, for $55.6 million. Now, this will build scale for the software provider and definitely reinvigorate interest in the stock. Lastly, UBS reiterated its buy rating for the largest company in Australia, CSL, as a buy, but it did drop its price target to $331, given the disruptions to plasma centres in America due to COVID-19. UBS is expecting donations to fall 20% from April to September, but then pick up. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Happy trading, stay safe, and don't forget to tune into our weekly wrap.